Ita all Sebata here. Eva fitli sharp India, and it really is a beautiful place in its own way. But I'm gonna look ile. What we cook with saying. It's really humbling, you know. Obamon and like I sing with all of my heart, because actually here I didn't come to hip hop, I didn't come to rap, I actually came to sing. Those of you who know that I also sing. So it's a beautiful place. I just hope and wish that you come someday. India as well, how people live here, you know, very simple people, but I'm not crying at all. I didn't see anything, and I've asked, and nobody said anything about crime here, you know. It's a very safe place. So yeah, that's just beautiful here. So yeah, kita khutla hem, kita lo bona ka South Africa ka mono. Yeah, see you soon.